Today we're making tacos. I'm gonna take you back on the history of the Aztec warriors.
Well, as legend was told, my friends, the Aztec warriors have history. Hold on, let me shut this guy up because he's making all this fussy sounds in the background. Much better, shall I continue? Well, let me continue then, I guess. Legend has it tacos have a rich history dating back to the 18th century in Mexico. In fact, the word taco was first used in silver mines as gunpowder. Wait, gunpowder? Why would they call it that? Ha 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 ha! You're very curious, my little friend. Because just like those tiny charges, tacos were small but powerful, bringing flavor like an explosion in every bite. Later, tacos became a staple of street food in Mexico City. And today, for miles, like at Mile Cinco, people celebrate these tacos as symbols of pride. What happened? There are even stories of people who have fought passionately in the streets over these tacos, so every bite carries history. Wow! So every bite feels like a piece of a real struggle and triumph? Exactly. And that's why every taco I bake is more than just food. It's a story passed down through generations with every bite. I guess she's okay. Big old dummy. Dummy? Now I'm gonna clean with the rag. No!
Yes, I'm cleaning again with the green raggy. And you can't stop it. You cannot stop it, okay?
Please stop! You're gonna hurt her! She's injured!
It's gonna be a dirty kitchen. Nobody wants a dirty kitchen. No girl will ever be with you. No guy will ever be with you. Whoever you are will never be with you.
Everybody wants to be with me now! Taste test, guys.
Mm. Oh my God, this is delicious. Oh my God, this is delicious.